Chainsaws were invented for childbirth. In the late 18th century, two Scottish doctors, John Aitken and James Jeffrey, developed a hand-crank chainsaw to assist in a procedure called symphysiotomy. This involved cutting the pelvic bone to widen the birth canal during difficult deliveries. Their design featured a fine serrated chain inspired by a watch chain, which made the procedure more efficient than using a knife. Over time, this medical tool evolved and was adapted for other uses, eventually leading to the powerful chainsaw we associate with forestry today. So comment below what are your thoughts on this, and like, share and subscribe for more such content.